Hello guys, today I will introduce to you from PWA. So let's get started. So PWA means Progressive Web App. So it is basic a web app like any other web application you see in the website. The main objective of PWA is to make your web application that can reach your customer across many devices. So as you can see in the diagram, in the y-axis this is a capabilities, and in the x-axis there is a reach here means reach to your users. So PWA app gives you the benefit of both the things, native application as well as the web application. And you know, everything in this world, everything has some drawbacks. So it has also a drawback. Suppose you wanna make a like you want to make a application that uses a low level resources like memory or anything that is low level. So in that scenario you cannot use the PWA app. Like suppose you wanna build the video editing app, the audio editing app, or VR, AR, virtual reality, this type of things, you face problem in the PWA. But the simple things like from basic website to e-commerce website you can build with the PWA app. Let me show you the demo. So this is my mobile and I am using here Amazon PWA app. So let me give you. So oh no, sorry, let me off the sound. So this is a PWA app of Amazon website, Amazon shopping, you know. This is a example of PWA app. There you can find lots of PWA app in the app store, not app store. You can just basically type the URL of the website, and most of the website nowadays has a capabilities of PWA, so you can install. I already made a video in my Twitter handler, and here I am showing you how you can install the PWA app in your mobile device. You can go and watch. Now let's see how you can build the PWA app. So to make a PWA app you need three things: UI means here user interface, manifest file, and the service worker. So UI means like all the things you are seeing, it is a basic web page. So it is made with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Manifest file I will show you after a few minutes, and the service worker I also show you after a few minutes. This is very simple example of PWA app. So I have a HTML code and this is a JavaScript code, and I just put here some images for the manifest, and this is a manifest.json file, and this is a service worker file to manage the service worker. Service worker is a background process running while you are using the web browser. Okay, so let me go live. For some reason it is not working. I will show you the other things. So I fixed the problem. So this is the example of PWA app. So it is running. So as you can see that there is a option, you can see this is a PWA app application example. From the next video I will show you how you can also build this type of application. For now, thank you.